What's going on, y'all? It's your boy K1K. Back as usual. Wanted to give you guys a quick update because I know I've been kind of missing for a bit, but Arya is at track rated performance right now, getting some stuff looked into. I was having like a weird low speed sputtering issue, and I didn't notice it until a little bit after messing with the power commander stuff, having the tank on and off. So I thought maybe it was something I did, maybe the fuel line or something else. Couldn't see it, messing with it on my own, so I ended up just dropping it off to them and letting them take a look. But turns out, yeah, there was an area that was a little pinched on the fuel line. It didn't look that bad to me, but I guess after taking like the little nylet braid on portion off, they were able to see that it was a kink on the line. So I ordered another OEM line. They have it, and it's on the bike now, and we ended up having some inclement weather here, like an ice storm that took us out for a couple of days. So, you know, Texas ain't built for nothing like that, so the roads weren't able to be traveled and stuff, so everything was pretty much closed up around here. But, you know, the bike has got the wideband on. They're going to go ride it around on the street, make sure everything is good, and do any other last minute feeling adjustments we need to do, and I should have her back hopefully by Tuesday or so. So that's going on with that. Also, I did order some new camera stuff, and some of the stuff I'm waiting on now. As you guys already know, I had the DJI Osmo Action before. Decided to sell that because I'm having some issues with the external audio stuff, and get a GoPro Hero 10, which so far has been amazing. It's been putting out some nice quality footage, and now I just ordered a Max the other day, so I'm waiting on that to come in, and I'll start getting some 360 footage and stuff on the bike. I was going to go with the Insta360 One X2 to try it, but kind of decided to keep it in the GoPro family for now and try that out. Plus, you know, the GoPro remote I have can control both cameras simultaneously and stuff, so there was a little bit of convenience factor in there that played into my decision. So hopefully I can get that on soon. You guys can see some of that content, and hopefully it's, you know, more enjoyable. Also decided to change some stuff up on running my Shoei helmet and stuff to try to see if I can get the wind noise down a little bit. So looking forward to trying that out too, to see if there's an improvement there. Also, I did order some parts for the bike. I am pretty much about 70% convinced that I'm going to go ahead and convert Arya to roll race and end up just buying another track bike, probably next winter time frame, and just another 600 or something, so I can have fun and do nothing but track days with that. And then Arya, I don't have to worry about doing things that hurt the handling and stuff like that, and making the bike hard to ride on stock wheelbase and all that kind of stuff. So I am still waiting on some stuff to come in, like the strap kit from Brock's. It was on back order for a little bit, but I found another vendor that had one in stock, thank God. So that is shipped, and I should have that early next week. And I do have some stuff here now, like got the 520 Vortex rear sprocket, the F5 hard coat. I went with that instead of the Cat 5 because I just want a little more longevity out of the sprocket, to be honest. I know the Cat 5s, you can get different colors and all that, and it's a little bit lighter, but I'm already getting some weight savings anyway with going to aluminum, so why not try to get a little bit more out of the longevity. So it is 520, and it's down to a 40 tube now compared to the stock 41. So hopefully that helps with a mile an hour and helps control the wheelies a little bit. So that's what I'm looking for with that. I'm staying 17 up front. That is also on order. Hopefully that should be here soon, but you know, shipping delays and stuff happen because of the weather, like I was saying earlier. Reached out to Uncle Brock. Got the window link kit. First off, the quality on this is amazing. It looks very nice. You can see why it cost what it cost, but they did a great job with it. It looks very nice. Can't wait to put it on. Went with this route, that way if I need to make adjustments to the height, I don't have to worry about taking anything off the bike. Everything can be done with it still on the bike. So you guys already know Brock has put out a lot of good products, so not even in the slightest concern about, you know, QA/QC on if the products are good or not. I went with the T-Rex kickstand. T-Rex is about 2.5 hours local to me, and I've bought some of their products in the past. Like on my ZX6R, I had their case protection and frame protection, and the quality and everything was great, and their prices are good. So decided to go this route instead of the Brock stuff because this can go from stock height to up to -3 inches or whatever, lowered height. So the Brock stands, they have like 2 different ones, and they don't come close to like this. So I would rather have something that's more adjustable. It may not look as pretty, you know, but it's gonna get the job done, and it saved about $100, so why not? So T-Rex, shout out to them for that. And the one thing that I wanted to try based on some recommendations, but was kind of skeptical, was the FX CNC eBay special, as they call it, steering dampener. Decided to try this out because some of the well-known road racers like Savage and a couple other guys local around this area have used this and had zero problems with this. Track Ready Performance also used this on their ZX10, highly recommended it, and a bunch of guys on the ZX10 forums run it also. If you already know, with the OEM Olin's electronic steering dampener, you can only lower it it's barely, not even an inch, I think, unless you put that riser kit on there. Once the riser kit's installed, you can lower it 1.37 inches or whatever, which I want to go a little lower than that. Factory ESD sucks. I was going to look into doing the manual conversion that MV King did, but the vendor that he was getting those parts from says that they no longer can get those parts and it's not an option anymore. And I haven't found anybody else that can do it. So pretty much had to bite the bullet and decide to get something different. The GPR ones I know people use, but people say from day one they leak, and I don't really want to deal with that crap either. For $500 something, I expect it to be perfect. So I don't know. So we'll try this out. If I have any issues with it, I'll probably just say forget it and buy a GPR or something else and see how it works out and go from there. But overall, I'm probably going to lower the bike, I think maybe about 1.5 inches to 1 3/4 inches all the way around with the strap kit and see how she rides with that. But lately I've just been riding with the KTRC on, so that way it doesn't wheelie too bad. First gear it definitely still does though. But the bike is fun, definitely enjoying that. Other than that, I did order an OEM C-Cal, which should be here soon. Like I told you, the Brock strap kit and Light Tech mirror block off plates. All of that should be in hopefully early next week, and then start throwing some of the stuff on once I get the bike back, and we'll go from there. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know what's going on, and that you guys can look forward to another vlog as soon as I get the bike back. I'm itching to try this camera setup out, and I can't wait for that. If you like what you heard, like what you saw, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm very active on here and also other social media platforms such as IG and TikTok. So look me up. Let's get to going. Let's collab. Let's do whatever. Looking forward to all of that. And also, I am going to put a little clip on here how the bike pulled after the tune was done with the KTRC on level 1. And we'll go from there. Until next time, y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all next time.